Shyam once again from Edu Arena, and today I would like to discuss with you all about class 10's first flight, the second poem, that is Fire and Ice. Okay, here actually the poet Robert Frost, he wants to depict about how the world will come to an end one day, and that too the sayings of the people he is depicting here, not his own words. Okay, here he says that some say the world will come end in fire, yes, and some say in ice. From what I have tasted of desire, I hold with those who favor fire. So what did he say here? You know, some say the world will end in fire means some of the people, they say that the world will come to an end due to fire. It is going to be destroyed. The death will come and the destruction will be there due to fire. Yes, due to fire means what, you know? It symbolizes the uncontrolled passion of love and desire. And the poet himself, he has gone through this phase, you know. That's why he's saying that some people say the world will end in fire. So he very well knows how it is going to end, in fire. So that is uncontrolled love, passion of love and fire. That is desire. Okay, so he has gone through this phase, he knows it very well, so he takes the side of these people who say that the world will end in fire. And some say in ice. So some of the people, they say that it will come to an end with ice. Ice means what, you know? If we take an ice in our hand for some time, what are you going to feel? These fingers will be numb. Yes, it is going to be numb, our fingers, and everything will be freezing cold. Yes or no? So it brings negativity. It symbolizes hatred, hate, revenge. All the negative thoughts will come to our head. So freezing will make destruction of the world, and death will come to every living being. So this is what the poet is meaning to say, that some people say that the world is going to come to an end with ice. From what I have tasted of desire, that I have already told you, that the poet has gone through this phase. Okay, that desire, that is passion, love, passion of love, yes, uncontrollable passion of love. All this the poet has gone through these phases. So he has taken the side of the people who say that the world will come to an end with fire. Did you get it? So, but if it had to perish twice, but if the world is going to come to an end for the second time, then I think I know enough of hate. So people they are not at all good, like in mind and in everything. No, this is like the people is going, the world will perish. How? With ice. That is what you call hatred, revenge, negativity, negative thoughts. Everything will come to an end with ice. Yes, hatred towards one another. So this will happen one day or the other. So the world is like supposed to come to an end sooner or later. Maybe by fire or maybe by ice. It is going to end sooner or later. What? The world. Okay. I think I know enough of hate to say that for destruction, ice is also great. So ice is also great to destroy this world, like fire. Okay. So he has said that either by fire or ice, the world is going to come to an end very soon. Yes, sooner or later it is going to come to an end. Okay, and would suffice. So this would be sufficient for the world to come to an end, to a stop. Yes, have you understood this much? Yes, we are going to make you understand again if you want me to explain again. Okay, so Fire and Ice is a very short poem written by Robert Frost. Okay, so he's a very nice poet, and you know the poetic dictions are not, we are going to do it in the next session.